Aw, cat on a rooftop. What could be more normal? Hi, Tiki. Cat Noir. Here, kitty, kitty.
Marinette Dupin Chang, is everything okay?
Yeah, perfect timing, actually. I need a boyfriend.
A boyfriend? Oh, no. I'm done with all that lovey-dovey stuff. I'm not in love with anyone and don't plan on it anytime soon.
Then that's perfect. Exactly what I need. See, I have a problem with my boyfriend who's not my boyfriend yet because I can't talk to him about how I feel, so I need someone to play my crush who for sure doesn't have a crush on me, and you'd be perfect for the role since there's no way you'd fall for me since you don't love anyone.
No one, exactly. And I mean no one. But, I still don't get it. You need me to do what exactly?
To play my boyfriend who's not my boyfriend yet, and I'll play the girlfriend, but the girlfriend who does things right, who doesn't mess up everything she says, know what I mean?
Not much more than before?
Great, let's do this then. You sit there, and I'll come in. Dear Cat Noir, ever since I met you, I've had 3 suns in my heart. They shine so brightly that whenever I see you, they make me melt until the slightest thought is reduced to droplets. Those suns are only 3 little words, but they're burning my lips. Please soothe me, Cat Noir, and tell me that you love me as much as I love you.
Marinette, sorry, I'm really flattered, but like I told you, I'm not in love with anyone.
Of course, I'm not talking to you. This is for the boyfriend who's not really my boyfriend yet.
Ah, got it. But since you said Cat Noir, I thought you were actually talking to me.
Oh, right, shoot.
Well, what's your boyfriend's name?
That's private.
That's not gonna make things any easier.
Okay, Buttercup.
His name is Buttercup?
Of course that's not his real name. It's a code name. Come on, start over. Dear Buttercup, ever since I met you, I've had 3 suns and Come on, would you please concentrate? This is serious.
Sorry, it's the Buttercup name.
Dear Buttercup, ever since I met you, I've had 3 suns in my heart. They shine so brightly that What's with the face? Are you hurting or something?
I'm being serious.
Oh, well, okay, that's not being helpful at all. Be serious, but not serious like you're trying to solve a math problem. Dear Buttercup, ever since I met you, I've had 3 suns in my...
I'm sorry, Marinette, but what face am I supposed to make then?
Who cares?
I don't know, you're the one who was saying...
I know! It doesn't matter how you feel right now. I'm the one training here. Just act like you're a little interested in me. It's good to be interested in other people now and then, you know? Always me. Let's start over. Dear Buttercup, ever since I met you, I've had 3 suns in my heart. They shine so brightly that whenever I see you, they...
Whoa! That's the most beautiful thing anyone's ever said to me!
But I hardly said anything.
I know, but the way you opened your mouth was just so moving. It was like the skies after the storm, like a rainbow sweeping my heart.
You're overdoing it.
You think?
Yes, really. Dear Buttercup, ever since I met you, I've had 3 suns in my heart. They shine so brightly that whenever I see you, what is it now?
Well, if you don't mind me saying, now it sounds like you're mad at me instead of in love with me.
I'm not mad! I'm declaring my love to you, isn't it obvious?
Let's just say it could be more obvious.
All right, since you're so good at this, show me how it's done. I'll be you and you be me. Come on.
Dear Buttercup, ever since I met you, I've had 3 suns in my heart. They shine so brightly that whenever I see you, they make me melt until the slightest thought is reduced to droplets. Those suns are only 3 little words, but they're burning my lips. Please soothe me, Buttercup, and tell me that you love me as much as I love you.
Wait a minute. Do I sound that corny when I'm saying it?
I'm just performing, you know? I'm not here to judge the wording.
Oh man, this is awful. I'll never be able to do this.
Boy, you sure like to take the hard road. You put too much pressure on yourself. Of course you'll be able to do it. I know. Let's take a short break. Just air our heads out.
Movie?